Fiton review and tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to review Fiton and show you how to use it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to download Fiton, you could also click the link in the description, or alternatively, you could also download it on your Play Store or App Store if you're using an iOS. And kindly search Fiton, and from here, just click this application and kindly install this. But before that, if you don't know what is Fiton, it is a comprehensive fitness app designed to provide users with a wide array of workout options and wellness resources, making it suitable for individuals at various fitness levels. And now after installing this application, kindly open this one, then you will be able to be directed in here where you can sign up using your Google account, Facebook, or just simply click the Get Started button. And after signing up, you'll be able to be directed on this page right here. And it will ask you about yourself, including your age, by entering here your birthday, your gender, female, male, other, and also your height and weight in here. So for instance, I'm creating an account for female. I'm just going to enter here the height and weight and click the next button to proceed. And after that, you'll be able to be directed in here and it will show you what's your goal. We have here to lose weight, be more active, gain muscle, stay toned, and many more. But I'm going to choose lose weight and I'm going to enter or select here the weight that I want to achieve. And after that, under this, what's your goal, you could also click the reason, which is be more active in here. In which upon clicking on it, it will show you in here the correlation between weekly physical activity and stress balance. And after clicking the next button, you simply choose your level. You have here beginner, intermediate, and advanced. But in those options, I'm going to choose this beginner. By simply clicking on it, just click the next button. And after that, it will ask you how many times per week do you plan to work out. And I'm going to choose, for example, 3 to 4 times. So the next thing that you need to do is to simply answer how much time do you have to work out. And I'm going to choose 30 plus minutes and click the next button. And from here, just simply select all your favorite type of classes. And I'm going to choose cardio, strength, HIIT, and dance. And click the next button also if you want to proceed. And also click the next button in here. Now under this, join community groups. You can simply join to some groups of community on Fiton. We have here intermittent diet, journey such as gain muscle, newbies. For lifestyle, web here, single and crushing it. And also activity, we have also different kind of option. But I'm going to choose run the world. And after clicking the next button, just simply select all your devices you own. And I'm going to choose Fitbit. Then click the next button. And it will ask you how did you hear about them. I'm going to choose YouTube. Then click next. As you can see, they are now setting up your personalized program based on your selected option on their question. And they pick energy boost based on your option that you selected. And from here, you also need to select your programs or their plan, but I'm going to choose, for example, this basic that offer unlimited free workouts. And after that, you could also connect your contacts if you want to. And by clicking this allow button, it will automatically be connected. Now from here, the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter here the time that you will open this application to work out. You could also enable the calendar to sync in here. And also from here, it will ask you how you can start purchasing some of their plan that they offer in here to upgrade your account. But upon closing this one, you'll automatically be directed in here. And you could also start doing a stretching right away by clicking the start button or add a reminder if you want to schedule it. But let's say I'm going to choose the start button, and from here it will ask and will show us in here the timer that says class is starting in. So you could also click the start now button to proceed. Or you could also connect your HR or navigate the premium music to listen to some of the music while doing the stretching. Now in here, it will show you the overview of this application. We have here For You page where you'll be able to see here the number of your streak or your weekly progress, such as the number of your workouts, daily average steps, and number of minutes that you work out today. And below, if you scroll down, it will show you a variety of programs that you could also navigate and explore in doing your exercise. We also have here a variety of challenge programs and many more that can help us to build our own muscle using some of their programs. We have here Slim Down, Fit Starter, Fitness Foundations with the corresponding number of weeks and number of workouts in here included. You can simply click the start program to start doing their program. Now aside from that, going back on this page, below if you scroll down, it will show you a variety of challenges and also some of the tips and advice. But under this workout section, from here it will show you the specific kind of workout. We have here gym. By clicking on it, it will show us in here some of the type of gym activity. We have here is 24-hour fit heat type, where it will show us the equipment and the target areas. And by clicking the start button, from here we can automatically start doing the activities or workout. But as you can see, they also offer this Premium Music Pro. So to proceed, just click the start now button in here, and you can start watching the tutorial. But moving on, going back on this page, aside from that, you can also navigate a variety of also programming here that they offer with the corresponding categories such as these abs, arms, 5 to 10 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes in here. But moving on to this advice section, from here it will show you some of the advice from other fitness enthusiasts, starting on how to get started, how to gain muscle, how to build your core, and many more, and even some of the tips and exercise routines. Then you could also navigate this meal section. From here you could click this get started to proceed, in which in this section it will ask you how many meals do you eat per day. And for instance, I'm going to click lunch and dinner, then answer the question, what type of diet do you follow? And in those options, I'm going to choose the standard option. And after that, what items do you struggle with? And I'm going to choose, for example, the sugary foods and what holds you back from eating healthy. Then just choose your answer and click the save button to proceed. Then click the start now button in here. However, you might be able to see here a short video ads. So all you need to do is wait for it or simply finish this video to proceed to the meal section and start closing these ads or video. Then you will now be able to be directed in here on meal section, where it will show you some of the trending dishes and also recipe that you could also start preparing on your meals to stay lean or to start a healthy livings. You have also this grab and go breakfast for your heart healthy meals, high protein, all meals in here, and they also offer an exclusive courses if you want to. They also offer here a variety of smoothies, recipes, and many more. And if you also want to add your friends and families in doing a workout or exercise, just click this friends section, and from here you could also start posting on your feed, or by clicking this friends section you can add a friends by sending them an invite, by simply adding their username in here, or add from contacts by SMS, Facebook, or even using Instagram. But now going back on this page right here, you could also start navigating all of these options, including these meals to start doing or healthy living lifestyle. Also this workout that we can start navigating and access some of their pre-workouts that they offer. We have here meditation, stretch, rehab, and you could also follow some of these trainers by simply clicking on it. You will be able to see here some of their workout portfolio that can help you to achieve the body that you prefer. We have here total body attack, beautiful upper body, and many more. And it will show in here different kind of session and upcoming workouts. So basically, this application is notable for its user-friendly interface and accessibility, allowing workouts to be done at home with minimal or no equipment required. And from here, you could also click some of this workout, and you could also schedule it, add your favorite, or even download the whole session in here, so you can start doing it whenever you are free. So overall, Fiton stands out as an all-in-one solution for those looking to enhance their fitness journey while enjoying the flexibility of working out on their own terms. So that is just how you can use Fiton. Thank you.